In this training, we're going to go through appropriate J-code coding from the fee slip and also onto the claim. So we're going to start by going into a patient file here, and we're going to shortcut into a quick fee slip. Normally you get your fee slip through your treatment note, but for our functions here, we're going to just go in straight to a fee slip. All right, so from the fee slip, if you are doing a drug code, meaning a J code, it's advisable to put in your NDC number right through the fee slip. So we'll go ahead and indicate that we did, let's say, a trigger point injection and then a corresponding drug code here. So for example, if we're doing Serapin, we would click the box there. You can do multiple NDC codes. So if you're doing a combination of drugs, you can click multiple boxes. So for billing purposes, NDC codes are going to be 11 digits, and it's preferable not to have any dashes, as that could cause a clearinghouse rejection or formatting problems. And so on the box of your vial of your drug, normally the NDC comes in a 10-digit version. And so it's important to know how to appropriately convert that 10-digit NDC into a billable 11-digit NDC. So I'm going to switch over to this tab here. If you just do a simple Google search on 11-digit NDC codes, this is the first link that comes up, and it's a really helpful handout on how to appropriately convert from 10 digits to 11 digits, depending on the formatting from the package here. So for example, if you have a 442 format, which adds up to 10 digits, and here's where the corresponding dashes are, 442 as you see, then you would do the preceding 0 in the front, and then it shows here if it's a 532, the preceding 0 is in the middle segment, and then 541, that preceding 0 goes in the last segment. So really important to understand where that preceding 0 is going to go based on your dashes within your NDC number. So we're going to make up a number here for Serapin. Now that appropriate drug code number would be on the box or vial, so you'll want to check that out before you're putting that in here so you know how to convert. But we're just going to go ahead and put in a number here. So let's say that this is a 442, so we would put the preceding 0 in the front. All right, so that adds up to 11 digits. And then we'll just input our corresponding quantity. So if we did 5 milliliters of Serapin, then that's our information here. We do recommend that you just put in a short summary in the drug name description. So we'll put in Serapin 5 mil. So we'll go ahead and save, and that'll create a claim for us and put that into billing. So we'll go ahead and locate that claim in our pending folder. So for Billy Jones, here's the corresponding claim that was automatically created from that fee slip. And notice if we go down to that J3490 drug code in the claim itself and we go to edit that, those fields that were filled out from the fee slip will flow into these fields for the billing. And so just make sure that, if you're not 100% aware of what the NDC code is when you're in your fee slip process, just make sure you're coming and fixing it in your claim creation process for sure before that claim is submitted. All right, so if you do have any further questions on how to do an NDC or how to do J-code billing in general, that'd be great to discuss with your ClinicDr account manager. So get in touch with them if you do have any additional questions.